everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, meron tayong itatry na very cute release yet again from Chuchu Beauty, as hindi ko napigilan. I think kakalating lang nito kahapon, tapos gusto ko agad siya itry. And ang cute pa ng packaging, as dito siya nakalagay, parang magkikrave ka sa sweets every time makaka-receive ka ng package from Chuchu Beauty. So yes, of course, itatry and swatch natin itong lahat, and we will also do a wear test. So without further ado, let us start with the video. Okay, so ito yung bago ni Chuchu Beauty. Actually, yung Juicy Dew Tint, meron na silang existing na ganito. If you remember, ito yung packaging nila. Ayan, ito yung packaging nila before. It's just a very simple, straightforward packaging. But now they made it even cuter. So these are their newest tints. Actually, itong Juicy Dew Tint existing na to. But I think they revamped the packaging. And these are 6 new shades. And meron na rin silang Cloud Matte Tint. And ang cute nito guys, meron silang lip grip. So this is something that you can put sa phone case nyo. And then dito nyo pwedeng ilagay yung mga tints nila. Which is very, very cute. And I think this is only 199 pesos. So, it's very, very affordable. So, dito muna tayo sa Juicy Dew Tint. So, this is the new packaging. So, may ganitong detail na siya. And this is the applicator. So, they said that this is a hybrid formulation. Meaning, meron siyang lasting power of a lip tint and glossy shine of a lip gloss. So, this has a nourishing formula since meron siyang hydrating ingredients. And they claim this to have a 12-hour long wear and true to tone daw yung stain niya. So, to compare lang, ito yung luma nilang packaging. So, I think the formula is the same naman. Since alam ko, marami rin may favorite dito sa formulation na to. So, wala naman silang kinlaim na merong major difference in formulation. Only with the shades. Kasi mga bagong shades daw to. I actually remember liking how lightweight this is despite it being glossy. Kasi iba, mas may weight ka talaga mararamdaman kapag glossy yung finish ng tint. This one, may shine lang siya. Pero siya pa rin yung type na dikit sa lips. Like, wala siya yung parang nakaangat talaga na gloss on your lips. So, let's check if this has a true to tone stain. Ganito pa rin yung color kung paano ko siya in-apply kanina. So, tinry ko na siya with this first color kasi kapag nag-swatch na tayo later, magpapatong-patong na rin yung stain. So, mas makikita talaga natin sa first swatch ng first shade if the stain is really close to the original color, which I think it is. Anyway, let's watch muna yung remaining 5 shades. Next, we have Jelly Bean. This is in Jelly Bean. Next, we have Marmalade. This is in Marmalade. Grabe siya mag-stain, mga sis. And in fairness, with Marmalade, hindi talaga pinkish yung stain niya compared dun sa first two. Next, we have Punch. This is in Punch. Next, we have Glaze. I like the shade. Again, this is in the shade Glaze. Lastly is in Swirl. Again, this is in Swirl. Okay, in fairness, isa sa napansin ko, kahit na nagpatong-patong na yung mga stains on my lips. Like for example, this one, this is in the shade Swirl. Yung stain niya is, in fairness, kita mo na true to tone. Like, hindi siya orangey. It's really close to the original color. Again, this is Taffy, this is Jelly Bean, this is Marmalade, this is Punch, this is Glaze, and this is Swirl. I think my most favorite shade is in the shade Glaze. Kailangan ko ng matinding pang-remove. So, let's see if sa hands ko ba true to tone yung stain. Okay, I must say it actually is. So far, consistent siya. Napansin ko rin pala with the new shades yung Juicy Dew Tint. Like, they are more playful shades. Like, hindi siya yung usual na neutrals. Like, ito, they really release something that's true to Chuchu, which are vibrant colors. So, it's actually something that's perfect for summer. Anyway, next, let's try the Cloud Matte Tints. So, compared dun sa Juicy Dew Tint, yung finish ng packaging niya is matte, of course. Same naman yung applicator, but syempre, nakakaiba na sila in terms of texture and finish. So, this one daw has a pillowy matte formulation. And although this has a soft matte finish, hindi raw siya drying since meron pa rin siyang hydrating ingredients. And this has a comfortable wear that lasts all day. And like the Juicy Dew Tint, meron din daw siyang true to tone stain. So, itong trinay ko is in the shade Dust. I didn't expect it to be this rich. Like, akala ko super nude yung color niya from the packaging. But so far, I'm liking how lightweight it feels. And hindi yan emphasize yung dryness ng lips ko. Actually, parang na-blur niya nga. It's very lightweight. As in, isa yun sa mga una kong napansin. Sobrang comfortable. And yes, surprisingly, I can feel the hydration kahit na hindi siya yung dewy or glossy finish. Again, this is in the shade Dusk. And ito yung stain na Dusk, which I agree, close pa rin siya dun sa original color. Let's watch the remaining 5 shades. This is in Marshmallow. Ganito yung mga type ko na shades. Again, this is in Marshmallow. This is in Wisp. Again, this is in Wisp. This is in Haze. I also like this color. Again, this is in Haze. This is in puff. Again, this is in puff. Lastly is in plush. This is in plush. Again, this is dusk, this is marshmallow, this is wisp, this is haze, this is puff, and this is blush. Pansin ko lang, dun sa shades ng Cloud Matte Tints, mas neutral sila and mas vibrant yung shades nung sa Juicy Dew Tint kanina. I think ang favorite shade ko here is si haze, kaya lang hindi ko natatanggalin to kasi naawa na ako sa labi ko. Sobrang hirap tanggalin ng mga stains and dun mo malalaman na talagang as in kumakapit siya sa lips. So that's why I think they claim it to be long wearing. And what I like about this formulation is that it really hugs the lips. Siya yung type ng velvet or cloud matte tint ng formulation na talagang yumayakap sa lips pero ang galing kasi hindi siya yung dry. Kasi usually the reason why kumakapit yung ibang formulation sa lips is because they are dry. But this one, as in, ma-feel mo talaga na hydrating pa rin siya. Like it's one of those few cloud or velvet tints na talagang hydrating. And hindi talaga siya nakaka-emphasize ng chappiness at all. I just wish mas marami pang as in nude shades, yung talagang barely there na shades kasi this is something na very natural tingnan sa lips. Although with the shade selection, ito talaga yung mga types ng shades and tones na talagang nagsistain sa lips. Yun naman din yung purpose ng product na to. It's a tint. So let's see if this is true to tone like the Juicy Dew Tint. Yes, I think it is. On my arm. And nakakatuwa din na hindi sila nag-play safe when it comes to shades. I think they have very bold and vibrant shades dito sa shade selection nila, which is what sets them apart sa mga existing na tints, velvet tints, cloud tints, juicy tints in the market. So since isa sa claim sila is that this is long wearing, so i-wear test natin to. Hindi ko siya tatanggalin, hindi rin ako magre-reapply. I'll let it do its thing. Kakain ako, inom ako, whatsoever. My usual routine. And then babalikan ko kayo later to see kung ano na lang yung natira sa lips natin. If meron, sana meron pa. I'm back. It's currently, I think, magi-8 p.m. So this has been on my lips for 7 hours, more or less. I've had 2 meals. Nagmerienda ako. Yung merienda ko pa as in mainit na coffee. And then kumain ako. And then yung dinner namin, meron kaming soup. And then I also ate yung as in lumpia. So it's oily. Kaya kanina sabi ko, feeling ko nabawasan na talaga yung tint ko on my lips kasi hindi ako nagsasalamin the whole day. Para ma-surprise ako how my lips look like. And oh my gosh, pagtingin ko ngayon, just before recording this video, grabe, as in, grabe pa yung tint. As in, I wasn't conscious, hindi ako yung nag-iingat para hindi siya matanggal. But it's still here. And I think factor din kasi yung huli kong sinuot na shade is one of the darkest shades. And lagi kong sinasabi when it comes to tints, if you want it to last longer, go for the darker shades kasi of course, mas saturated sila, mas deep, kaya mas matagal mag-fade yung saturation niya on your lips. And depende lang sa inyo which formulation, yung mas bet nyo if you want something that's glossy or if you want something that is matte. Personally, although hindi ako masyadong ma-matte, mas glossy talaga ako. Parang mas nagustuhan ko yung Cloud Matte Tint. Siguro kasi na-try ko na rin yung Juicy Dew Tint nila before. So, mas na-surprise ako sa performance and sa feels. Lalo na I have dry lips nitong Cloud Matte Tint nila. Kasi masasabi ko talaga it's something that won't emphasize yung dryness ng lips and magaan siya although it has a cloud matte finish. I hope that's it for today's video. I hope this helps. If ever may na-miss out ako, just ask me in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video as well. Again, thank you so much for watching and I hope to still see you in my next videos. Bye!